We are in the St. John Street parking garage in Spartanburg, South Carolina. And guess what we get to ride? There are 3 Kone EcoDisc elevators in this parking deck. One of them has character, and it is going to become famous. We're going to start with this one. Here it is. Number 4. Door close button did not work. Let's look out the window. Yard 4. Let's go out and get a view. And if we look over here, what do we see? Number 1. Let's get a cab view once the door closes. It's just ceiling, floor, your window, wall, another wall, and your fixtures. And what on earth is that squeaking noise? You're on 1. But we're not done here yet. There's more elevators down there. So, there goes that one. Let's just appreciate how much nicer this garage now looks while we're heading towards one of the other elevators. This elevator over here is the one I consider the one that has character. And it was waiting patiently for us. 4. Door close works. Let's look out the window. Yard 4. Back down to 1. And we'll get a cab view. There's ceiling, floor. We got a wall over here, the window. And the fixtures. Let's look out of the window the rest of the way going down. Now we're descending into the basement. There goes that one. There's one more in this garage, but this one has something special up its sleeve. And we will see it when we start writing on it. It's the last elevator. This one has 2-speed door, and it's hospital sized. Go to 4. Door close button works. This one is not scenic. You're at 4. I didn't tape that, but that is what I call classic leveling. We're going to go to 3R first. While that goes on, we're going to get a cab view. Start here, ceiling. As you can see, a light has been popped out. I'm getting low battery, floor, wall here, back door, front door, fixtures. Here are on 3R. As you see, this goes to the Central Church. Now let's continue our trip down to 1. Door close. I sure hope I can get this done before my battery dies. You're on 1. The elevator. There it goes. On to the next parking deck.